Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Make sure your PC runs Windows 11 build 22000 or newer and you've installed recent updates. Once done, create a quick system restore point and free about 500 MB of disk space so installations proceed cleanly. Next, pick a trusted app, Wallpaper Engine on Steam or the free Lively Wallpaper, because the app determines format support and performance. Download the installer now, then pause to read permissions before you run it. This avoids surprise background services. Run the installer as administrator and accept necessary permissions. This prevents blocked features later. After installation, open the app and import your live wallpaper. Use MP4, WebM, a direct URL, or subscribe via Steam Workshop for Wallpaper Engine. Once loaded, configure performance. Set FPS, enable GPU acceleration if available, and enable pause on battery to save power on laptops. Make sure to set the wallpaper to the target monitor and test playback. Tweak scaling and audio options, and set the chosen file as your desktop background, and enable Start with Windows so the wallpaper loads automatically. Once set, verify behavior across multiple monitors and virtual desktops to confirm position and audio routing. If performance stalls or it won't apply, first update or roll back your GPU drivers and restart, then disable overlays or conflicting apps like other theming utilities. If permissions block placement, run the Wallpaper app as administrator and reapply. One careful driver or permission change usually resolves the remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.